LA City 911 operator 221.
Yes, on 92 in Central, there is a African American guy. He's with a gun. He's wearing black pants and green sweater.
How old does he look to you? 20s, 30s, 40s?
Kind of like that, yes.
Well, which one? Like 20s to 30s?
92 in Central.
No, his age. Is he like in his 20s or his 30s?
Yeah, like 20s, 30s.
Okay. Is he?
He's an
Where is
African
he?
American.
Where is he right now? Is he in front of a certain house or business?
He's just right outside the laundry.
Okay. What type of gun does he have?
I don't know. He's you can see it on the sweater that he's carrying again. He's tried to rob the taquero.
Okay.
He's a sell tacos outside the laundry.
Okay. He's trying to rob the taco cart?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Outside the laundry.
LA City 911 operator 498.
Hello? I'm calling because we're here at the laundry. Hi, we're here at the laundromat, and there's an African American guy with a green hoodie, and he's over here being domestic with people that are in the laundry room and in the taco stand. We don't know if he has a firearm or what.
Okay, you didn't mean by being domestic he's arguing with people, or what is he doing?
Well, so we seen one Hispanic guy, and he came in like if he hit him in his face. And he's coming in.
Does that man need an ambulance? The one that was hit?
I don't think so, but he is. You could see his face that like if he hit him. So and he was over there like screaming at the employee.
Okay, so the guy that was hit, does he want to meet with the police?
I don't know because we came outside because we kind of got scared, so we came out.
Okay, you're not near him?
We're just waiting. No, we're not.
So where is the guy that was hit?
He's probably still in the laundromat.
What's the address of the laundromat?
It's 92 Central. It's on the corner of 92nd and Central.
So it's 92 or South Central?
Yes.
Okay, we already have a call there. The police are responding out there, okay? Is this a guy with a green sweater?
Yes, he's a green sweater. He's
okay.
African American. He's about like 5'11", 5'10".
Police are going over there, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye-bye.
Southeast units, possible 211 suspect. Possible 211 suspect there now, 92nd Central, in front of the laundromat. Suspect male, black, 20, 30 years, wearing green sweater, black pants, armed with handgun, no further description, threatening taco vendor workers, and possibly intending to take money. Code 3-4-1-3-7 or 1806.
That's the taco stand over there. Check if he's over there. That's wearing green right here, no? He's got a bulge right here.
From 92. Right. Shot fire, I'll bring you down.
All units, officer needs help, 92nd and Central, officer needs help, 92nd and Central, shots fired. Any air unit coming on Southeast frequency.
24 shots fired, I'll bring you down.
That's wearing green right here, no? He's got a bulge right here. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Hey, Luther, you good? Hey, Luther.
Shots fired, officer needs help.
Hey, who it is?
All units, officer needs help, 92nd and Central. Officer needs help, 92nd and Central. Shots fired. Any air unit coming on Southeast frequency.
Stay over there.
94, let's get a perimeter. Let's go from Central to 94. And let's go all the way down to Wildwood. Let's go! Hey!
Type one in green right here, no? Got a bulge right here.
Next one, get it back. Put the other gun. We got the Shootout Central. I'm 9-2. I'm black. Green money. Stop fire. Stop fire. I'll put you down. Yeah. 44. Shots fired. Officer needs help. Yeah, we're good. Hey, get cover. (9-4). Let me get a perimeter. Let's go from Central to 9-4, and let's go all the way down to Wadsworth. Hey, we got the suspect right here. He's running. Westbound. Through the houses. Let me get a unit. Let me get a unit.
All right, you'll be my hands team. All right, open the passenger door. Step out with your hands up. Face away from me.
I'll cuff him. Yeah.
Hey, get your hands up. Face away from me. All right, we're going to take care of you. Step out. Hands up. Step out, put your hands all the way up for me. Hands up. All right, put your hands on your head. Hands on your head. All right, lay down, lay down. All right, stay right there. Stay right there. Watch the car. I got him. Check his back. Yeah.